Kidney failure can be a silent killer, but these are early signs and symptoms you should watch out for. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Edidion Udoeko. I want to thank my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. We share health, wellness tips, and talk about controversial topics on this channel. So please join the conversation today. So today I'll be talking to you about early signs and symptoms of kidney failure. The first on my list is fatigue. I know fatigue can be linked to exhaustion, stress, and a whole lot of other things. But however, if you feel excessively tired, like you're always tired, even after long hours of rest, you should see a doctor. It may be an early sign that your kidneys are shutting down. The second on my list is frequent urination and thirst. If you have the urge to take water at every time, you're always thirsty. No matter the weather and all of that, you are always thirsty, and you notice that your bathroom visits have become more frequent, you should see a doctor. It may be a sign that your kidneys are failing. The third on my list today is dry and itchy skin. This is always linked to different conditions. I mean, psoriasis, different conditions can cause a dry and itchy skin. But however, waste build up in your blood. That's when your kidneys are not functioning. You know, the whole selective reabsorption, filtration thing. So when your kidneys are starting to fail or they're failing and there's waste build up in the blood, this can cause itching on your skin. So this is an early sign of kidney failure. So you should get that itchy skin checked out. Another early sign you may notice or you should look out for is swollen hands, ankles, or feet. I know this is usually seen in pregnancy too, so you may want to skip this if you are pregnant. But if you have this symptom like swollen hands, swollen feet, ankles, and all of that, you may want to see a doctor. This is because when your kidneys are failing, fluid builds up in this part of the body. So please, if you notice any type of swelling, you should see a doctor. Like I mentioned in other signs and symptoms, there may be indicator of variety of other conditions or illnesses, but there may also be indication that your kidneys are failing. Another early sign, a moderate sign that your kidneys are failing, if you continuously feel nauseous, if you're nauseous or you're actually vomiting, you may want to see a doctor. Could be like an indicator for other illnesses, but this is also a sign that your kidney is failing. Waste buildup can cause stomach upset. Another sign that your kidney is failing is if you frequently have loss of appetite. Decreased kidney function can cause decreased appetite or total loss of appetite. So you may want to see a doctor if every time you do not have an appetite. Maybe a sign that your kidney is failing. The next one on my list is muscle cramping. If you continuously feel muscle cramps at any point at night, during the day, it may be a sign that your kidney is failing. This may be caused by electrolyte imbalances, as your kidney is not working as it should. Another sign to watch out for is abnormal heart rhythm. Electrolyte imbalances can also cause your heart to have an abnormal rhythm. So you should check it out. See your doctor. Also, if you have shortness of breath at any time, you may also want to see your doctor. This is an early sign of kidney failure 2. If you're seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe. And please, if it's not too much inconvenience, please give me a thumbs up on the video. Like the video so other people can see it. Okay, these are severe signs that your kidneys are failing. These are severe signs that your kidneys are failing. The first one on my list is if you continuously have chest pain. There's something consistent about all the signs and symptoms I've mentioned. They can actually there are symptoms for a variety of other health issues, and it may often be just dismissed, or it's just fatigue to go away. So please, I want to implore that if you have any of the severe signs I'm about to mention, that please you get yourself checked. You owe that to yourself. Please get it checked. Okay, so the first one on my list today is chest pain. If you're having kidney failure, you may experience some sort of continuous chest pain. I know I already mentioned shortness of breath, but yes, you may experience chest pain. You may also have seizures. Electrolyte imbalances in the body can cause seizures. Another thing that you may experience is cognitive disorientation. Waste buildup in the body can cause cognitive impairment. So if you feel disoriented at any point, it may be a sign that your kidneys are failing. If at any point or for any reason you're vomiting blood, or the consistency of your stool, if you check the consistency of your stool, you notice it's tarry, it's black, or the color is just off, this may be because you're experiencing gastrointestinal bleeding, and this is consistent with kidney failure. If you're vomiting blood, or you think you have a GI bleeding, this may be because your kidney is failing. You may want to check it out. So please, if you're experiencing any of the signs and symptoms I mentioned, please see a doctor. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please subscribe. Be nice. Subscribe, share it to your friend, leave me a thumbs, and tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.